In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Smart Compose autocomplete text. If you've ever wished your emails could practically write themselves, this feature will feel like a quiet assistant sitting next to you. Smart Compose suggests the next few words or even a full phrase while you're typing, helping you finish messages faster and keep a natural writing style. Let's start with using it in a new email. Open Gmail on your computer and begin typing your message as you normally would. As you type, you'll notice light gray text appearing ahead of your cursor. That's Smart Compose offering a suggestion based on what it thinks you want to say next. When you see a suggestion you like, press the Tab key to accept it instantly. If Tab isn't convenient for you, the right arrow key does the same thing. The suggestion will drop into your message and you can keep typing from there. If the suggestion doesn't fit what you want to say, just keep typing and the gray text will disappear as you go. There's nothing to turn down or close. Simply continue with your own words. If you're not seeing any suggestions at all, the feature might be turned off in your account. Here's how to switch it on. In Gmail, click the gear icon in the top right corner to open Quick Settings, then choose See All Settings to open the full settings page. You'll land on the General tab by default. Scroll down until you find Smart Compose. Next to writing suggestions, select On to enable it. If you ever prefer to write without suggestions, you can come back here and choose Off. After you've made your choice, be sure to scroll all the way to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. Without saving, your setting won't stick and you won't see Smart Compose in action. Once it's on, go back to composing an email and watch for those subtle gray prompts. Over time, you'll get a feel for when pressing Tab helps you glide through a sentence and when it's better to keep typing your own phrasing. It's a small habit that can save you a noticeable amount of time, especially in common phrases like greetings, follow-ups, and sign-offs. That's all there is to it. Start typing, accept suggestions with Tab or the right arrow key, and if you don't see suggestions, turn Smart Compose on in Gmail settings and save your changes. Happy writing and enjoy the extra speed and polish in your emails.